Good morning, student of class 3. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So, student, today date is 12 November 2020. I am teaching you chapter number 18 and name of the chapter is Our Festivals. Name of the chapter is Our Festival. So, student, let do the recapitulation. First of all of you open page number 96 of your EVS book. So let do little recapitulation. What we have studied in our previous video. So student, as you know, our country India is known as land of festival. Not a single month goes without a festival. And student, when we are talking about the festival, then it can be divided into three parts. What are the national festivals of India? One is national festivals. Second is harvest festival. And third is religious. So see, festival is the time when we enjoy, lot of enjoy at the time of festival. People wear new clothes, and they enjoy with all the people of the society together in these different occasions. So student, we have already discussed Independence Day and Republic Day. So why we celebrate Independence Day? Because on this day, 15th August 1947, our country get the freedom from the British rule. So every year on this day we celebrate the Independence Day. Now the question arises, who hosts the national flag? So Prime Minister of India hosts the national flag. Now next question arises, where? Answer is Red Fort, and हिंदी यू कैन से लाल किला. ये आपने नई दिल्ली में, अगर आप दिल्ली घूमने गए होगे तो आपने न्यू दिल्ली में ये देखा होगा. अगर नहीं देखा है तो कभी मम्मी पापा के संग, अगर इफ यू गो इन समर हॉलीडेज, तो अगर आप जाते हो घूमने तो अब आप देख लीजिएगा. इट इज क्लियर. सो प्लेस इज द रेड फोर्ट and it is New Delhi. So the Prime Minister of India hosts the flag and also speak with the people of the country. Now at this day we remember the people's brave people. We remember the brave people of India who sacrifice their life for the freedom of our country. That is your Independence Day. After that, Republic Day. Why we celebrate? So now India become free from the British rule. Now it is a big challenge among the leaders of Indian National Congress how to rule the such a big country. India is a big country, and another important thing is that people of different religions are living in India. So there is a need of constitution. Constitution means set of laws to rule the country. So we celebrate Republic Day because on this day, that is 26 January in 1950, we adopted the new constitution. It means we get the set of laws how to rule the country. So student, this day is very important, and these festivals are known as national festival. Whether if you are the citizen of the country India, whether you are belonging to any religion or any caste, this festival is for all the people who are living in this country, that is India. So what happens at this day? A big parade is held in the New Delhi. Big parade is held in the New Delhi, and do you know student, this parade start from the Vijay Chowk. Now the question arises, where is Vijay Chowk? So Vijay Chowk is near the Rashtrapati Bhavan, and who host the flag and take the salute, because I already tell you that on this day a big parade is held in the New Delhi. That is, it start from Vijay Chowk, and Vijay Chowk is near the Rashtrapati Bhavan. So who take the salute of all these parade? That is the president of our country. And did you know student, president is also known as the head of the country. President is also known as the head of the country. पूरी country के जो head होते हैं बेटा, वो president ही होते हैं. बहुत बच्चों को लगता है नहीं प्राइम मिनिस्टर, क्योंकि हमेशा हर जगह दिखाता है प्राइम मिनिस्टर. प्राइम मिनिस्टर इज द हेड ऑफ सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट. जो आपकी सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट दिल्ली में है, उसके जो हेड है दैट इज द प्राइम मिनिस्टर. बट होल हेड ऑफ द कंट्री, दैट इज देयर प्रेसिडेंट. इज इट क्लियर? नाउ सी स्टूडेंट, so the soldier of all the three armed forces means army, air force, navy, police forces march on the Rajpath. ठीक है sir? And even student, many of the students, they also participate in different activities at this day. So, and these national festivals are celebrated in all parts of the country. These national festivals are celebrated in all parts of the country. Even you know, every year on this day we have lot of celebration in our school also. Chairman of Army Public School hosts the flag, and there are also different programs in which the children participate. Is it clear? So these types of a festival, national festival, it creates a unity among the peoples, whether they are belonging to any religion or any caste. These types of a festival develop love and respect for the nation. Okay, these types of festival develop love and respect for the our nation. At that time only one thing come in our mind, that we are Indians, we belong to this country, this is our country, and whenever the country need us, we all stand together for our country, that is India. So student, on this special day, on the day that is a Republic Day, awards are also given to the army persons also and to the civilians also. And even student, on this day, bravery awards are given to the children on this day. So with a lot of joy we celebrate this festival in all parts of the country. We celebrate this festival in all parts of the country. Now see student, next important national festival that we will discuss now, that is Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti. Now this is also known as the National Festival of India. So student, Gandhi Jayanti. So firstly, Gandhi Jayanti, it is observed on 2nd October. So student, now the question arises, when we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti. So student, the answer is every year on 2nd October we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti. So, and what happened on this day? This day marks the birthday of the father of nation, महात्मा गांधी. गांधी जी को फादर ऑफ नेशन भी बोला जाता था और लोग उन्हें बापू भी बोलते थे. इज इट क्लियर? गांधी जी को फादर ऑफ नेशन भी से भी सम्मानित किया गया था और लोग उन्हें बापू भी बोलते थे, बिकॉज सी स्टूडेंट, लॉट ऑफ in 1915 in 1915 गांधी जी returned from South Africa. Do you know, student? In 1915, Gandhi ji returned to South Africa, and at that time, Gandhi ji joined Indian National Congress, and many of the leaders of this National Congress, they want that Gandhi ji should fight for the people of India so that they get the freedom from the British rule. So, in which year Gandhi ji returned to India? In 1915. Gandhi ji returned from South Africa. So, student, Gandhi ji play a very, what I want to say, Gandhi ji is play a great role in the freedom fight for our country, that is India. And you are surprised to know that at that time also leaders are divided into two parts. आपको ये सोच के बड़ा सरप्राइज होगा, कुछ लीडर ऐसे थे उनका ये मानना था कि ब्रिटिश ऐसे तो इंडिया नहीं छोड़ेंगे, तो इंडिया हमारी है, हम इनसे लड़के ले लेंगे, ठीक है, हम लड़के ले लेंगे। और एक लीडर ऐसे थे जो नॉन वायलेंस की बात पे चढ़ते थे कि लड़ाई झगड़े से नहीं काम होगा, हम लड़ाई झगड़े किए बिना नॉन वायलेंस से वी गेट द फ्रीडम फ्रॉम द ब्रिटिश रूल, वी गेट फ्रीडम फ्रॉम द ब्रिटिश रूल। सो स्टूडेंट, गांधी जी ऑलवेज फॉलो द नॉन वायलेंस पाथ, उन्होंने हमेशा नॉन वायलेंस, लड़ाई के बिल्कुल खिलाफ थे, शांतिपूर्ण ढंग से उन्होंने अंग्रेजों से, ब्रिटिश रूल से इंडिया की फ्रीडम के लिए लड़ाई की स्टार्टिंग की। एंड लॉट ऑफ आंदोलन्स, ठीक है, एट दैट टाइम बहुत से आंदोलन गांधी जी ने चलाए। एंड ड्यू टू हिज हार्ड वर्क एंड एफर्ट्स, once upon a time come that British people, or you can say British people decided to free the India. So Gandhi ji always follow the path of a non-violence, and especially student, why I am saying that more than 200 years British peoples they rule on our country. Why? Because first thing is that our country is divided into very small regions, बहुत छोटे छोटे पार्ट्स में बटी हुई थी। Another social evil in the society, एक क्या था, रिलीजन्स अलग अलग थी, हिंदूज भी थे, मुस्लिम भी थे, सिख्स भी थे, सो क्रिश्चियन भी थे, रिलीजन्स बिल्कुल अलग अलग थी। इवन देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंस इन द, अगर हिंदूज भी हैं फिर भी उनमें भी आपस में बहुत ज्यादा डिफरेंस था ड्यू टू द कास्ट सिस्टम। सो वाई वी से गांधी जी एज अ father of nation, he is the person who motivated people of all different religions and caste system, that if you want the freedom of your country from the British rule, so forget all those things that you are belonging to which religion और विच कास्ट। उन्होंने लोगों के अंदर नेशनलिटी की भावना को जगाया, ठीक है, कि आप ये सब भूल जाओ। अगर आपको फ्रीडम चाहिए तो बस वन थिंग दैट कम्स इन योर माइंड इज दैट यू आर इंडियन एंड वी हैव टू स्टैंड टूगेदर। जो एक यूनिटी होती है, यूनिटी पीपल्स में, देखो इतना टाइम क्यों लग गया, क्योंकि यही चीज नहीं थी हमारी कंट्री में, यूनिटी नहीं थी। रिलीजन्स के नाम पे लोग अलग अलग थे, कास्ट सिस्टम के नाम पे बहुत डिफरेंसेस थे। तो एट दैट ओल्ड टाइम ड्यू टू गांधी जी मोटिवेशन दैट पीपल्स ऑफ ऑल द religions or caste, what you want to say, they all stand together. And by seeing this unity of the Indians, because student जो ब्रिटिश थे ना वो बहुत कम थे, उनके आर्मी में, उनकी पुलिस फोर्सेस में सारे तो इंडियंस थे। इंडियंस को ही उन्होंने जॉब दे रखा था और इंडियन से इंडियंस को ही पिटवाते थे। इज इट क्लियर? शोषण करवाते थे उनका, इंडियन से इंडियन का। सो अब यहाँ तो छोटी सी चीज है, इसलिए क्या डिटेल में डिस्कस करें कि गांधी जी ने कौन कौन आंदोलन चलाए, वो तो बहुत तुम्हारे चैप्टर से अलग की बात हो जाएगी। बस इतना मैंने बता दिया कि इतने डिफरेंस होने में, लोगों में जो रिलीजन्स और कास्ट को लेके भी इतने डिफरेंस थे, तो एट दैट टाइम व्हेन इंडिया इज स्ट्रगलिंग फॉर द फ्रीडम फ्रॉम ब्रिटिश रूल, गांधी जी make stand all the people together, and in the last what happens, and in the last what happens, British understand that now all the people of India stand together, and by seeing the unity of the people of India at that time, so they decided to left our country, that is India. And on 15th August 1947, India got the freedom from the British rule. So Gandhi ji birthday is also beta celebrated as a national festival. He is the only person who make all, there is lot of diversity due to religions, धर्म को लेके इतनी ज्यादा आपस में वो थी, सबको उन्होंने एक संग स्टैंड किया। दैट इज द रीजन वी से गांधी जी एज फादर ऑफ नेशन आल्सो, और लोग उन्हें प्यार से बापू भी बोलते थे। इसीलिए कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में यह डिसाइड किया गया कि देयर आर 3 नेशनल फेस्टिवल्स। वन इज द इंडिपेंडेंस डे, द डे वी गॉट द फ्रीडम फ्रॉम द ब्रिटिश रूल। इज इट क्लियर? Republic Day, it is also very special because on that day we adopted our constitution, we set the laws, and we know now how to rule the country. And Gandhi ji Jayanti, because he is the only person at that time who is loved by all the peoples, whether they are from any religion or any caste। इतना ज्यादा क्रेज था गांधी जी का, ठीक है। तो इसलिए गांधी जयंती को भी बेटा किसमें रखा गया? नेशनल फेस्टिवल में रखा गया। एंड एवरी ईयर ऑन 2 अक्टूबर वी सेलिब्रेट गांधी जयंती। नाउ इट इज नॉट गिवन इन द बुक, इट इज, आई थिंक इट इज आस्क्ड इन अ, डिड यू नो where was Mahatma Gandhi born? It is asked in did you know? So you can note down the answer. In 2nd October 1869 Porbandar, and this is in Gujarat, ठीक है। So you can note down this। महात्मा गांधी या गांधी जी गांधी जी born on 2nd October 1869. 1869. Name of the place is Porbandar, and it is in Gujarat. It is in Gujarat. So student, that is the reason this is also a very important day for us, for the from the past history. ये पास्ट हिस्ट्री का बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट डे है हमारे लिए. दैट इज द रीजन वी पुट दिस गांधी जयंती एज ए नेशनल फेस्टिवल. एंड होल कंट्री, व्हाट हैपन दिस डे 2nd October, we have holiday also. 26 January Independence Day and Gandhi Ji Jayanti, all these day we have holiday also. So on this day prayer meetings are held everywhere, and especially at his samadhi. And underline this, many time it asked in the exam also, where is the samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi? So what is the right answer? The samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi ji is in Rajghat. ठीक है, इट इज इन राजघाट. और पूरे देश में उस दिन क्या की जाती है? प्रेयर की जाती है गांधी जी के लिए. ठीक है, उन्होंने देश की फ्रीडम में इतना ज्यादा स्ट्रगल किया. सो वी आल्सो सेलिब्रेट गांधी जी जयंती आल्सो एज ए नेशनल फेस्टिवल. So now student, when we are studying about the festival, I told you that the festivals are divided into three parts: national festival, harvest festival, and third part is religious festival. Now after completing this topic of national festival, let start with a harvest festival. What do you mean by the harvest festival? Harvest. So student, when we are talking about the harvest festival, so this festival is specially related to the agriculture, because what does the word meaning of the word harvest? Harvest means cutting of the crops. तो बेटा जो इंडिया की जितनी भी स्टेट्स हैं, इन स्टेट्स में बाय डिफरेंट नेम हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल्स सेलिब्रेट किए जाते हैं. ठीक है, एंड व्हाट डज इट मीन्स? हार्वेस्ट मीन्स cutting of the crops. When the crops are ready in the field, so at that time the farmer are very happy with their hard work. They thanks to God. They thanks to God that they get such a good crop. So That is the reason harvest festival is celebrated, and this festival is related to the agriculture. Okay, in the next video we will continue with the topic harvest festival. Okay, thank you student.